Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, formerly known as the University of Indore, is a state university located in Indore and has received a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BE course here? Let's explore this in detail, starting with placements, which has been rated 3.8 out of 5 stars. According to NIRF 2024 report, a total of 513 out of 635 students were placed in 2022-23 placement drive, resulting in a placement rate of 81%. This marks a decline compared to the 2020-2021 placement rate. A total of 45 top recruiters, including Accenture, Amazon, Acacium, and Atlassian, visited and offered roles such as data engineer, data analyst, software engineer, developer, and more. The highest package offered in 2023 was 28 lakh per annum, while the median package was 6.5 lakh per annum, marking a significant increase since 2021. When compared to Sri GS Institute of Technology and Science, the median package offered at SGSITS is more preferable. Regarding internships, DAVV offers them to students in the 8th semester who have been selected during the university's closed campus drive. After completing their internship, students are expected to join the same organization. Moving on now, DAVV offers 6 BE specializations, including Electronics and Telecommunication and Electronics and Instrumentation. Admissions are both merit-based and entrance-based, with exams such as CUET, SCAT, and JEE Main being accepted. Looking at the JEE Main closing cutoffs, the competition has intensified across all BE specializations in 2024. According to Shiksha.com, the total tuition fees for the 4-year program ranges between 1.6 to 3 lakh rupees. The hostel rent is around 25.5 thousand per year. Meanwhile, the mess charges are to be paid monthly and are yet to be announced. Moving on to the 3.8 rated infrastructure. The university's administrative offices and primary school are on the Rabindranath Tagore Marg in Indore, with the Takshila campus in Indrapuri colony serving as an extension. It has over 294 affiliated colleges in the Indore division, offering undergraduate and postgraduate programs. The university features comprehensive physical and IT infrastructure, including libraries, e-resources, seminar halls, an auditorium, a multi-purpose theatre as well. Classrooms are ICT enabled and Wi-Fi is available in departments and hostels. The EMRC produces educational TV programs and offers online courses via the Swayam portal, alongside operating the Gyanvani FM radio station. For student activities, the university includes sports facilities, a cultural center, and a student welfare department. On campus, there are 6 boys and 6 girls hostels, a healthcare center, a daycare center, a bank, a post office, and a coffee house. Speaking of the 3.9 rated faculty and course curriculum. According to the official website, the university, schools and institutes have a well-qualified faculty, including nationally and internationally recognized authors and researchers. The university employs 727 teachers comprising of 81 professors, 61 readers, and 585 lecturers. Among them, around 221 hold PhD degrees and 46 have MPhil degrees. Speaking of attendance requirements, students must maintain at least 75% attendance in theory and practical separately. In order to pass a semester, a student has to obtain at least 40% marks in each course and 50% marks in aggregate in each semester. Moving on now to the 3.9 star rated Campus Life. DAVV Indore offers various student-run clubs through the EMRC, including a literary club, photography and videography club, film appreciation, and more. In addition, the university hosts various workshops, conferences, and awareness events, including the youth festival that is Foorthi. Lastly, DAVV Indore is ranked between the 101 to 150 rank band in the NIRF 2024 University category, maintaining the same rank band as last year. For more details on Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya Indore and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.